Tak to wejdzie, nie?
My childhood it was in my city. There is a many of fabrics in my city, you know, because it's a city for the people who wants to make something by the hands, you know, like people in factoring. There is many of them. After, for example, 2000, it's more than ever. I was interesting about the many things, but I didn't know what I should to produce. You know, I was working in this for example, in bakery, in different kind of stuff, you know. But I quit that, and I make what I make, you know. I saw on the YouTube how people playing in USA, you know. I've tried, you know, and I think it's easy. I know how to play if I start to thinking about surrounding people, so I would be unable to play. I try to play and I don't care really, you know, about the people, because sometimes one person can tell me that's packed, you know, that sucks. I think I'm gonna send to my mother some money on the Christmas time, yeah, because I'm collecting money for her. I want to give her the present and she will be very happy. I didn't thought about the money. I thought about the how can I play good.